Hello, I'm Derick Vogel, founder and CEO of Credit Absolute, and we help individuals like you get credit approvals. I have over 15 years of credit knowledge, expertise, proven results, and getting people approved. Some of the biggest challenges I have experienced are from myself, and I know what works and what doesn't. You're not the guinea pig, trust me. So here are a few questions you need to ask yourself. Are you tired of getting denied when applying for a home loan, a car loan, credit cards, or personal loans? Did you know bad credit raises your car insurance and your homeowner's insurance rates? How do your current high interest rates affect you financially on a monthly, yearly, or lifetime basis? And the biggest question of them all, how much money are you losing and have you lost already because of bad credit and low scores? I can answer that. Thousands of dollars. And if you don't fix your credit, you will continue to lose thousands more over your lifetime. That's money for buying your dream home, taking vacations, and having a real savings account with money in it. I think you get my point. I built Credit Absolute with a team of credit experts to help people become qualified to buy a home, to get approved for personal loans, to buy a car with lower interest rates, lower their insurance premiums, and above all, save thousands of dollars and get approved for the things they deserve. Do not waste any more of your money that you work so hard to get. The world is already an expensive place, and that's why it's time for you to contact us for a complimentary credit audit, and that's just a fancy way of saying at no cost. We'll go through your credit report together and show you exactly why you're not getting credit approvals. The number one question I get all the time, besides how quick is it and how much can you increase my credit score, is why should I use Credit Absolute? It's easy. Here are the top 5 reasons why. We have the insight, knowledge, and experience. We are the credit experts. The results we have created for our clients over the last 6 years speak for themselves. Check us out. Our testimonials on Google, Yelp, BBB, we have them all. On average, we see our client scores increase 40 to 100 points in 30 to 90 days. Extremely fast. And when people inquire with us, we actually answer the phone and they speak with a certified credit expert, not a person from a call center. I think you can feel me on that. We keep our clients informed through the entire credit dispute process, so there's no guessing. Oh, and there's one more really important reason why you'll hire Credit Absolute. It's because we are a results-driven company. It's in our best interest to get you the absolute best results, and here's why. If we don't get you results, we don't get paid. And by the way, we have over 80% success rate for getting your negative items removed from your credit report. We get results, period. 95% of our clients register online and we do their credit audit over the phone, but we do have clients who want to meet in person and talk face to face, and that's not a problem. We have our office in North Scottsdale where you are welcome to come visit us. Schedule your credit audit now by submitting your information right next to this video, and we will call you right away. Plus, when you register, I will send you a free version of my ebook, How to Get a 780 Credit Score and Keep It. We look forward to creating credit approvals for you. And one last tip, 90% of credit reports are wrong. We look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.